Hi, my name is Sam Kirby, and this is my challenge for the Basic Tools badge. First, I wanted to show that I did complete the doc, and now I want to show how I created it. So, if I go to the Google Docs home here, this is my main page for my Google Docs, and it has all my documents right here. I clicked a blank page, and then I started typing it. So, I'm going to go back to my challenge 4 here. And as you can see, there are some changes to it done by myself and done by an outside source. And if I click, so say I want to click on this, it shows right here what I need to switch it out with the outside source with what they commented by. So say that if I wanted to switch it, I would click the check mark button, and as you can see, it already switched it out for me. And if I don't want to switch something that the outside source added to my document, I can just click the X, the reject suggestion, and it won't do it for me. So this is my challenge 4 of the Basic Tool badge. Thank you.